This is coming here. This video will see about the security settings which are available in some of the frames available. So the security settings are configurable in the controllers. So when you create SSID, we will configure the security parameters in the controllers. See what type of securities. It's a open, a .NX or PSK security with the encryption types. We have the knobs available in the controllers to select the particular security types for the particular double LAN. So these what security types are configured is available in the management frames, couple of management frames. So the beacon frames, then the probe response frames, then association request frames, then association reassociation request frames by the clients. So in these four types of frames, you're able to see the security settings. So here I have captured couple of frames. So here I am showing you about the PSK security settings. So when you capture the beacon frames here, so in that you will see the RSN information. RSN is robust security network information. In this you will see about the authentication key management, then the group cipher type and the pairwise cipher type. So here you see the auth key management. See the auth key management is saying about the PSK. Then the type we will see as a 2 here. Then the pairwise cyber suite. So this is for encryption. So we have to encrypt that data flown from the client to the APs. So there are broadcast frames, multicast frames, and unicast frames. So the pairwise cyber suite is used for the unicast frames. So what type of algorithm is used to encrypt the unicast traffic? So here you see CCMP. So that is mandatory for the robust security network. So here I have configured as a AES, Advanced Encryption Standard, then CCMP encryption type. Here the broadcast and the multicast traffic are encrypted by the same CCMP algorithm. So from this information, the type will be shown as a 4 here. So for CCMP, the type will be 4. The PSK auth key management, it shows as a type 2. So I will show you different frame types. See here you will see the open. This is open SSID. So there is no authentication at all. So if you configure any open SSID for the guest access or any network with open SSID, you will not see the robust secure network. That field itself not visible here. So you can from this you can identify that this is a open network. So there is no robust security network configured. So it's a open security. Here I have configured a .NX authentication. So .NX authentication is shown as auth type as 1. So PSK it shows as a 2. Here it shows as a 1. Then for that unicast traffic and multicast traffic and broadcast traffic, it's encrypted by CCMP. It's shown as by 4 here. So here also I configured both as for the CCMP encryption. Here this is one I have configured for TKIP. So when the client supports TKIP. Suppose the client should also support for the CCMP algorithm WPA WPA2. Whenever you are using only CCMP, the client should support the CCMP encryption, or else the client will not be able to associate and do that uh, authentication. So both the sides should support the same type of encryption. So here I have enabled for the TKIP option also. So if you take here, it shows for the unicast traffic, it's a CCMP. For that multicast and broadcast traffic, it's shown as a TKIP. Suppose any clients with support only TKIP trying to associate to the network, then it will use the TKIP for that for that broadcast and multicast traffic encryption. So for the group wise cipher suite, it will always take the lower encryption type. So CCMP is first, then TKIP, then web encryption type. So these are the type it's available for the encryption. So it will choose the strongest for this. The client will obviously choose the strongest for the encryption type. If your client doesn't support the CCMP, it will choose the TKIP for that uh, encryption type. So we have this other capabilities also. It will be shown here, whether it supports this management frame protection or capable or a pre-auth capabilities, pre-authentication is supported. So these are the parameters. It will show the capabilities. If it's not supported, showing as a 0 here. If it's supported, it will show 1. Since it's not supported, it's showing as a 0 here. So from these frames, like a beacon frame, probe response, or from the client, from this association request or reassociation request frames, you'll be able to find out the security type of the what is configured on the network and what the client is trying to associate to the network. Thanks for watching.